So, ayan. So, let me welcome you here. Warm na warm yung welcome nila sa akin, di ba?
MD.
What's MD?
Mother.
Owner?
Oh, yes.
Are you the owner?
Shadullah.
Okay, nice meeting you, Mr. Shadula. So, this is the Mr. Shad. Oh, ang gagwapo. Shake hands again? Ay, another, ang gwapo. Oh, bitawan mo na yung kamay ko. Baka saan pa mapunta to. Oh. Hi! Aywa. Hi. Every time that I'm passing by here, they're always talking to me. So let me show you like what's happening now. O, di ba naubos English mo? Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Tinipilit mo din eh.